I think you guys are going to find this video interesting. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. Yeah, in Central Florida, you do the iced coffee till about mid-October. More Euro trash. Weather strip is coming apart. This is a 2012 750 IL BMW, 160,000 miles. Another 10-year-old European car. It's got the headlight malfunction warning on, the TPMS system malfunction warning on. It's leaking oil, and he's hoping it's not going to be expensive to fix. No, seriously, customer said that. It's not going to cost a lot of money, is it? It's a 7 Series BMW, dude. It's never less than $2,000. You're having a good day if you bring your 7 Series BMW in and get an estimate under $2 grand. Good choice. Look at that conglomeration of monstrosityness. Is that even a word, monstrosityness? I don't know. Looks like someone's been working on it a little bit. Valve cover gaskets already look like they're leaking a little. I'm gonna have to lift it up and look from the bottom. Alright, I'll try to narrow this leak down, but I don't know. What's not leaking? I mean, I could basically sell them an engine reseal and cover all the bases. Then I know I won't have to hear about a comeback. Everything has got traces of oil on it. The freaking cooling fan has oil on it. So there's oil gushing out of the oil pan sensor. The crank sensor's leaking oil out of it. Oil filter housing, valve cover gaskets. I mean, the oil on the exhaust manifold, the only thing above it is the valve cover gaskets. So maybe we'll start there and let them know there's going to be other oil leaks after we fix the valve covers. Uh-oh, feeling kind of sad. My little snap-on lights on the Fritz. You just touch the button. It does all kinds of weird stuff. I'm not clicking it. Just touch it. It's actually on right now. Oh, that makes me sad. The old snappy lights on the Fritzeroonie. Button's going bad or something. I bought this light probably 3 years ago, and I've used it probably, I would say, less than 5 hours altogether, because I usually my other lights first, so it's like $79 down the tubes. Friday's not starting out so great, folks. Just be glad you're not here. We're gonna turn it around though. We're gonna find a way to make it work. That's what we do. Where's Jimmy go? All right, guys, bringing us to a close. A little bit interesting. Try to have a good weekend. I hope you guys are too. If you enjoyed it, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It's really appreciated. See you guys in the next video.